In this part of our training, we want to complete our drawing. There's a note about the sizings. How can do them all? The capacity of the rooftop units is 3 tons. Estimately 1200 STM. I select the zone which belongs to second floor. This is the calculated amount, 1035 CFM. We have to change the CFM amount to our desired one. In the second floor, our capacity was 6 tons. (24 CFM). We have to balance our CFM in the second floor. For this space, my needed CFM as calculated is 373. I divided to the hatches. I use calculator 400. I remove 2 of the hatches and remove this diffuser too. And I use 100 CFM for each one. 100 CFM for all. I go to the ceiling of the second floor and move them all. And you can adjust the spaces. How can do this? Use the dimensions here to the axis of these hatches to the outer side of the wall, and click outside of the window so the spaces are same now, and select all, then remove. It is necessary to put it exactly on the tile. Align this by this. Okay. I go to the level 2, use align, hatch with the shoe type, taper concentrations I mean, and remove this one, remove this one again, and align this one with this one. Okay. I try to draw and find the roots, and I want to draw first to go to the sizing at the end, like this. Select the duct and use one size. I use a rectangular type like this. I need to shoe type. Select it and place it here. It snaps to the object. You have the connect as tab tool here. It must be activated. If you don't do this, so the show type will not connect it as you want. If you have a smart snapping, if you activate this one, it automatically find the place. I place it here. I want different route from the lower floor. I use the Duct rectangular straight. Before I start drawing, how much is my necessary CFM? Estimately 150 CFM for here, and estimately 160 for this. And activate the Duct Sizer tool. We use 150, estimately 300 CFM. And last 0.1. The amount is 12 for main primary. I need to lower the size, so I use 10 for this, like this. And so the height is clear. I use 10 or 8 by 8. I use 8. Select the duct. I want to increase the length of the duct. Important note, when you try to draw a duct step by step, is very time consuming. So in the Systems tab, point reading, use this tool. It automatically know the place and draw continuously. This option has been added after the 2017 version of this software. It's very interesting. I extend the duct to here, and the drop ceiling, at most we can use 12 inches. And move this here to see the hatches clearly. Create similar. For the branches, you can use the tab, same as before. Create similar, exactly like this. Space, with the space, position changes. And change the size of the duct. You can use the much lower lengths. I try to connect them all. We have another supply there and another one there. We can connect them all, draw them all with this method, which I explained it before. I want to branch from this duct to all of them. From the modify, I use a split, and size changes is here. It uses CFM like this. How much is the size? Let me calculate this one. Estimately 150 CFM. this space, and this one also 150. Yes, it is correct. Unpin this one to move it upward. Estimately, we have two 100 CFM and 151 here. 300 CFM at all will consuming here. The remaining amount, total number is 1300, sorry, 1200. 8, 12 by 16. I go to the 3D view again.